The Israel Defense Forces have decided to flood the Hamas tunnels in Gaza with seawater instead of using their new secret weapon, the SpongeBomb. The SpongeBomb is a specialized device designed to seal the end of a tunnel. It is small enough that a single person can set it. It is a non-explosive, chemical bomb that releases a burst of expanding foam that quickly hardens. However, the SpongeBomb also has some drawbacks and limitations. First of all, the SpongeBomb is ineffective against deep or complex tunnels, as it can only fill a small space and may not reach the entire length of the tunnel. Second, the SpongeBomb is hazardous to work with, as the liquid emulsion that creates the foam can cause severe injuries or blindness if mishandled. Some Israeli soldiers reportedly lost their eyesight during the initial testing of the SpongeBombs. Therefore, the IDF has opted to use a different strategy to deal with the Hamas tunnels, flooding them with seawater. According to the Wall Street Journal, Israel has assembled a large system of pumps that may be used to flood tunnels used by Hamas under the Gaza Strip in a bid to drive out fighters. The IDF has already flooded the tunnels, which caused havoc for the Hamas fighters, making them to abandon the tunnels for the safe grounds above, with some taking cover in the nearby abandoned buildings, as reported by the TBN reporter on YouTube. Flooding the tunnels with seawater has several advantages over using the SpongeBomb. First, flooding the tunnels can reach deeper and wider areas than the SpongeBomb, as the water can flow through the entire network of tunnels and fill any gaps or holes. Second, flooding the tunnels is safer and easier to execute, as it does not require handling dangerous chemicals or explosives. Third, flooding the tunnels is more environmentally friendly, as it does not leave behind any harmful residue or waste. Therefore, the IDF may use a combination of both the SpongeBomb and the seawater flooding to deal with the Hamas tunnels, depending on the situation and the objective. The SpongeBomb may be used for smaller or simpler tunnels or to create temporary blockades or diversions. The seawater flooding may be used for larger or more complex tunnels, or for forcing out or flushing out the Hamas fighters. Both methods aim to neutralize the threat of the Hamas tunnel network, which is one of the main challenges that Israel faces in its war against the militant group.